Is it time to buy or sell Sanofi stock? In this video, we will explore Sanofi in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 28th of August, 2025. And now, we are here to present an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest insights. You don't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 25th of August, 2025, our system has identified Sanofi as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 3.15. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has incurred a loss of negative 0.38%. This equates to an average daily loss of negative 0.09% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently moving within a wide and horizontal trend, and it is likely that further movements within this trend can be anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of negative 0.34% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 9.03% to positive 2.45%. When we examine the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 8.62%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 22.88% to positive 3.96% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $38 and $51.92. Our latest daily update for Sanofi includes the headline, Sanofi stock price down 0.339% on Thursday. The Sanofi stock price fell by 0.339% on the last day, which was Thursday, the 28th of August, 2025, dropping from $50.11 to $49.94. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 0.93%, with a day low of $49.66 and a day high of $50.12. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 1.84% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased on the last day along with the stock price, which is a positive indicator, as volume should typically follow the stock. On this last day, the trading volume fell by 92,000 shares, with a total of 2 million shares bought and sold for approximately $97,040,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $60.12, while the lowest price was $44.73. Currently, the price is 16.93%, or $10.18, below the 52-week high of $60.12, which is also the all-time high for the stock. This month, Sanofi achieved a significant regulatory victory as the European Medicines Agency granted Orphan drug designation to rilzabrutinib for IgG4-related disease, which is a rare immune disorder. This designation not only provides development incentives, but also offers the potential for market exclusivity. Such factors enhance the long-term commercial value of the drug and bolster Sanofi's immunology and rare disease franchise, presenting a clear advantage for the stock's long-term growth prospects. In the near term, market reactions are expected to be modest yet favorable, closely tied to upcoming trial results and commercialization strategies. Concurrently, Sanofi has paused the supply of Praluent to China due to limited availability, which could negatively impact sales and investor sentiment in that region until the supply issues are resolved. Conversely, Sanofi has successfully completed its acquisition of Vigil Neuroscience and secured the Greater China rights to Arrowhead's plozasiran candidate. These actions expand its neuroscience and cardiometabolic pipelines and indicate a robust approach to portfolio development. Lastly, renewed political pressure in the United States to lower drug prices introduces policy risks that could compress margins or necessitate pricing adjustments in the short term. This remains a structural risk to U.S. revenue over the long term. In summary, the outlook suggests that while the pipeline and mergers and acquisitions strengthen long-term potential, supply interruptions and pricing pressures may lead to short-term volatility. It's essential to monitor clinical milestones, supply resolutions, and regulatory developments to gauge stock direction. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 5th of August 2025, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned SNY a hold grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 2nd of July 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned SNY an overweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 3rd of June 2025, it was reported that Guggenheim assigned SNY a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of April 2025, it was reported that Exane BNP Paribas assigned SNY an outperform grade with an initialize action. On Thursday, the 10th of October 2024, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned SNY a sell grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Sanofi stock a general buy rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book value as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Sanofi. The Sanofi stock currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, a buy signal is present from the long-term average. Given that the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive outlook. If the stock continues to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $50.42. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $48.89. A breakthrough above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will generate a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, August 22, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 2.75%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence. Buy signal. Pivots. Sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger. Buy signal 17 days ago. Short-term moving average. Sell signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average. Buy signal 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 10 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average. Buy signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages revealed a buy signal 87 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Sanofi. Sanofi finds support from accumulated volume at $49.19. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock typically exhibits moderate movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 460 cents between its high and low, which amounts to 0.93%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.25%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Sanofi, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for Q3 2025 is expected on October 24, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.62. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Sanofi. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Sanofi is at $50.13. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Sanofi encounters its first support level at $49.19. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Currently, we hold a negative outlook for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Sanofi stock a good buy? Sanofi presents several concerning signals, and we anticipate that the stock will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After examining the volatility and trends from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 29th of August, we predict that Sanofi will open lower by approximately 3 cents and begin trading at $49.91. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.